Now, if you scroll down, you'll see that the header is overlapping with the banner. So, I will go to the header now. Here, you'll see this sticky header option. I will change it to none so that it does not overlap with the banner. Alright, now it's time to edit all the other elements of this page. So I will go to Templates and unhide all these elements. Okay, now we only need to fill these sections with our content. In case you don't want any sections, you can simply select it, and then on the bottom left, click on this Remove Section option to delete it from the page. Next, we have this Rich Text section. I will select this and change the background color of this section. You can also click on this text and then change it on the left. For now, I will keep it as it is. Moving on to the next section, we have the Featured Collection section. First, I will rename this section. Then, I'll change the heading size to medium. Then from here, I can add the collections that we created recently. Next, I will set the number of columns to 4 so that it appears perfectly. There are tons of different settings here, so feel free to play around with these options. Next up, we have this collection list option. I don't want this section as I don't have these many collections. So I will remove this section from the page. And don't worry, you can always add new sections on this page by going to this plus icon. When you click on it, it will open up this section menu that contains dozens of different sections that you can use in your store. For example, I will add this image with text section on this page. I can use this section as an About Us section on my website. First, I will go to Section Settings and change the background. I will also change the container background to match it with the section. Next, we need an image for this part. So, I will again use Canva to create an image for this part. Simply go to Canva and click on Create a New Design. Here, I will select this Instagram post option, as this dimension will be perfect for the image. Next, you'll see different templates on the left menu. Here, I will search for fashion templates. This one looks good, so I will select this. Next, I will simply remove all these images from this template. Next, I only need to add my own images in these frames. To do that, I will go to the Upload section on the left. All the images that I used in my recent design are saved here. I will simply drag and drop these images on this template. I will also delete all these texts from here. Next, also want to change the background of this template. You can choose any background color form here. You can also find a background option here on this left menu. You can choose the background from here too. I will choose this one for my image. Okay, now I also want to add my logo here. To do that, go to the Upload section on this left menu. Here, click on Upload Files, and then upload your logo. Now, click on this logo to add into the image. As you can see, the logo is not fully visible here. So, I either have to change this background or add something behind the logo. So, I will go to the elements on the left and then search for brush. There are so many graphics here that I can use in my design. I will choose this one for now. I will place it over my logo, and then I will go to Layers and change the position to back. And now, our logo is perfectly visible here. Now I will simply rename this and then download this image. Once it's done, I will simply go back to the Shopify editor. Here, I will click on this Select Image option, and then upload the image that I created using Canva. And as you can see, the image is giving a very professional vibe already. Next, you can change the image position from the left settings. I personally like the image on the left side, so I will keep it that way. There are many other settings available for this section, so feel free to play around with these options. Alright, now I will click on this heading text and change it to About Us. Next, we have the paragraph, where you can add some details about your brand. For now, I will just fill this section with some dummy content. We also have some other options for this section. For example, you can use Shopify AI to create a description for this part. For now, I will keep it as it is. Alright, now let's move on to the next section. Next, we have this multi-column section. This is a perfect place to add social proofs and customer reviews. When you click on any of these columns, you'll see the options on the left. Here, you can put your customers' feedback and positive reviews. For now, I will simply type some random stuffs on this part. Next,